So Easter's arrived at Hobby Lobby. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. Looks like they're putting out some traditional colors, a little bit of orange, and a whole lot of black and white. So let's get started. So first up, super cute little ceramic teal truck. I like that they left the back open so you could put anything you want in there and transition it to summer for $17.99. Up above for $23.99, an adorable locally grown carrot patch sign. And they brought back the rustic window with the bunny and wreath for $23.99. For $2.99 they have the buffalo plaid bunny on metal. And down here for $11.99 the trio of bunnies in wood. And that is the same price as this adorable bunny ballerina. Look at the little pom-poms in her tutu. And for $19.99 they have an adorable bunny pillow in the black and white buffalo check. They do have little pom-pom tails. For $11.99 they have a few plaster buffalo plaid bunnies cut out in 2 different poses. And down below for $17.99 the cutest little bunny head with glasses. For $13.99 they have a super cute truck print with the beaded handle and a miniature pink truck for $3.99. This one does light up. And for $11.99 they did 2 more buffalo plaid bunnies in different stances. These have little burlap bows around their necks and really cute little cotton tails. And for $2.99 they have some adorable little Easter chicks. And I never knew that carrots came in buffalo check, so this one is the smaller package for $6.99, and then they have a pack of 3 larger for $5.99. Along with their buffalo plaid carrots, they're also putting out buffalo plaid eggs. So these come with some white and burlap for $6.99. So many eggs to choose from, and I can't believe they even did a tie-dye set for $4.99. They have some gingham for $7.99. Lots of gold and metallic, and some really cute gingham carrots in the orange. So not just buffalo plaid in the black and white, but also the orange and white for $6.99. For $2.99 they have bundles of little jute carrots, and for $5.99 they have the bags of mini eggs, these in the neutral and these that remind me of chocolate Cadbury eggs. For $5.99 they did the black and white and the orange and white plaid carrots. And over here is something new. I think this is really cool. This is called Scatter and Filler. Very natural and sort of farmhouse looking for $6.99. Most of their smaller items over here are $2.99. They brought back the wooden bunnies in pink, blue, and white. Little Happy Easter tin sign. And the mini bunnies. And these that I think will be very popular for tiered trays. They have different little sayings on them and come in the black and white, the blue and white, lavender, and the pink. Also for $2.99 they have mini signs on metal in the little truck, as well as the pink camper. Down below, lots of printed eggs, and my favorite each year, the vintage looking mini signs for $1.99. So it looks like both of the vertical versions are chicks, and then over here they have a few different horizontal ones in the bunny, 2 bunnies on the pink, and another bunny on the yellow. For $2.99 they've got even more mini signs, super cute metal hangers on these, the tag style, and then the wreath in tulips. Down below they have some very good size gingham eggs on ribbon hangers. For $3.99 they have some small hanging crosses, and for $9.99 the pedestal in galvanized metal. For $29.99 they did the little umbrella planters in the green as well as the pink, and this year they added the black and white buffalo plaid. For $17.99 they have a mossy bunny planter, perfect for a front door arrangement. And down here, some adorable jute carrots in bundles of 3 for $5.99. So So it turns out this sign is just $21.99. Below that they have a few small signs for $5.99. These all do have little kickstand easels on the back. For $19.99 they have some super cute pillows, the teal truck full of tulips, a little bit of fringe on the ends of these, and the bicycle with a basket full of tulips. They have some really pretty willow covered grapevine style bunnies for $21.99. And down here some little metal vintage looking postage signs in the chick and the bunny. Up here for $17.99 they have a few vertical Hello Spring and Happy Easter signs with the wooden letters, a little bit of floral detail. And for all you blue lovers, they did these two bunnies that are definitely blue with a little bit of white brushed detail. There are two different poses and they're both $13.99. They also did a welcome tobacco basket with lavender for $29.99. They have the little chicks on a grapevine swing for $9.99. And a really cute garden stake. This one is $19.99 in the truck with the little bunny ears sticking out. They also did a white bunny garden stake for $9.99. For $24.99 they have plenty of egg wreaths, and down below a wooden welcome carrot for $9.99. We're seeing a few more garden stakes that they did last year. This one in the galvanized for $13.99. Some little metal carrots for $7.99, and a super cute little chick for $11.99. For $9.99 they brought back the wooden bunny sign with the galvanized welcome, and this is also $9.99 in two versions. So cute. Happy Spring with the eggs on a teal truck, and Happy Easter with carrots in a pink one. For $29.99 they have a floral metal welcome wreath, and for $15.99 a couple of vertical signs, Happy Easter with the bunny and Hello Spring with a basket full of tulips. Over here they brought back these little guys that we've seen both here and I think at Big Lots in the last few years for $9.99. And down below they have the planked wooden bunnies for $7.99. For $8.99 they have more wooden beads in the white with a cross and a tassel, and then in the pink with a little egg at the end. For $9.99 they have a few more signs. He has risen on the lavender, up above Happy Easter on the pink. Every bunny is welcome on the black and white, and Hello Spring on the blue. And then they have the large vertical wooden signs. These are $29.99 and come in Happy Easter and He Has Risen. They did a few banners for $11.99. This one in Easter with the colorful pom-poms, and this one for $13.99 on the burlap, and it also has some pom-poms on the ends. They have a ton of Easter egg garlands, including this one that I think is new this year in the speckled eggs. Also for $9.99, a few more egg garlands in the blue, green, and yellow, and the brights. For $24.99, they did a beautiful Easter runner. Down below some dish towels for $5.99. And next to those, these are really catching my eye, for $9.99. They do have some pom-pom fringe. So it's a set of a dish towel and a pot holder, and it comes in a few different versions. This one on the buffalo plaid with the white fringe, and that one also comes with the pot holder. They also did some ceramic canisters for $9.99. These remind me a lot of the ones I showed you guys at Michael's. For $4.99, they have a few glass jars and even more of their trucks over here. For $3.99, they have these that are looking very vintage. Now, I wouldn't call them egg holders. I'm not sure, maybe a cupcake holder. It comes in green, teal, and pink. And down below, some bunny mugs that just could not be any cuter. So one is teal and one is pink, and those are $7.99. For $7.99, they did the bunny salad plates. This one I'm guessing is the gentleman. And this is the lady. They've got the matching mug for $7.99 and even more salt and pepper shakers in the bunnies for $4.99 and the truck and carrot for $5.99. For $7.99 they have some beautiful plates in locally grown carrots and farm fresh eggs. For $7.99 they have buffalo plaid ceramic bunny plates. And over here, some place markers for $4.99, some little bunny hats with ears. Looks like they also have the napkin rings for $2.99. And for $7.99 they did a bunny pillow cover, which I think is a great way to save some space. For $9.99 they've got some beautiful ceramic pieces in the gingham, purple and teal and blue. They have the little pedestals. Those are $2.99, and the mini egg holders for $1.99. The ceramic bunny plates also come in the pastels in the pink, yellow, blue, and green. And for $5.99, the plates also come in ceramic Easter eggs. More table runners and some super cute dish towels in the truck, as well as the dogs for $5.99. Looks like it comes in pink kitties as well. And now for some bunnies. So it seems like they just have quite a few of the same style, so this won't take too long. They have lots of these little mossy guys, and they are free apparently. So they've got this one and then the sitting version, $7.99. All of these floppy eared bunnies are $19.99. They have a few different poses, and then the couple above is actually $29.99. Down here they've got more bunnies for $7.99. I think this one with their eyes closed is really sweet. Got this one and the sitting, and then a few in the cement that are also $7.99, both sitting and standing. Down here they've got a bunch of bunnies holding tulips for $14.99. And then some egg centerpieces in crates for $19.99. And for $6.99, look at how adorable these chicks are. They look so vintage. They also have some super cute bunnies for $4.99. I think these look vintage. And then they've got an Easter bunny sign. This one in Happy Easter with 3 bunnies for $9.99. For $15.99, they have a few of these plaster bunnies. So they definitely look like they're carved out of wood. Down here, they've got a really cute wooden bunny for $9.99. I've seen another version of it lying down elsewhere in the store. And then they've got these that they had out last year in both the girl and the boy for $34.99. For $4.99, they have the white bunnies with the floral detail in 2 different poses that they did last year as well. Over here they have more of those bunnies in smaller sizes for $4.99, and then above they have the faux wooden for $9.99. For $5.99, they've got tons of bunnies to choose from, including these that remind me so much of Peter Rabbit. For $19.99, they have a rustic metal bunny and lots of these floppy-eared ceramic bunnies. They do look like they are wood. They're definitely plaster. And for $13.99, they have these sisal bunnies with crowns in brown and white. For $19.99, they have the standing sisal bunnies in the boy and girl. For $13.99, they have more sisal bunnies in the black and white, gray, and the brown. Over here they have some adorable ceramic white bunnies for $7.99. Down here they've got the egg baskets for $5.99. But what really caught my attention were these little cut glass pedestals. They're so pretty for $9.99. They come in green, pink, and blue. So that does it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Hobby Lobby to see what is hitting the shelves in Easter decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.